If you're travelling abroad and relying on mobile data for maps, you're probably spending far more than you need to on data roaming, because every time your phone's loading directions or searching for a place, it's quietly using data. So here's a simple way to avoid that completely. Open up the Apple Maps app while you're on the Wi-Fi, and then tap onto your profile picture and choose Offline Maps. From here, search for the area you're going to or the area you want to explore, and make sure you zoom in or out to make sure everything's covered. Try and be sensible here. If you're going to Munich, don't download the map for the entirety of Germany. That will use all of your iPhone space. Make it as small as you can. Then, when you're ready, press download, and that's it. Your map will now work without using any mobile data, even if your phone is completely in airplane mode. You can still get directions, search for places, and explore the city, but it's all working offline. I generally do this on the Wi-Fi at the hotel before I head out, because it saves me from burning through expensive data roaming all during the day. If you found this tip useful, I think you'll enjoy this one too.